Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Alex from Canadigi Digital Marketing, based in Toronto, Canada. At Canadigi, we provide top-notch website design and visual identity services to clients all around the globe. Today, I'm excited to share with you a complete guide on how to install WordPress like a pro. Let's dive in. First, let's head over to the official WordPress website. Once there, locate the download section and grab the latest version. This ensures you're using the most up-to-date and secure software for your site. Pro tip: always verify that you're downloading from WordPress.org to avoid any compromised versions. Next, log into cPanel, your hosting control panel. Now, let's set up the essential components for your WordPress installation. 1. Access MySQL databases. Once you're in cPanel, locate the MySQL databases section. This is where you'll create a dedicated database for your WordPress site. 2. Create a new database. Click on the option to create a new database. Give your database a clear and descriptive name. This helps keep things organized, especially if you manage multiple sites. 3. Set up a database user. Next, create a new user for this database. It's important to assign a strong, unique password. This user will have the authority to manage your WordPress data securely. 4. Link the user to the database. Finally, add the newly created user to your database and grant all necessary permissions, typically all privileges. This step ensures that WordPress can interact seamlessly with your database. Take your time to double-check the details here to avoid any connection issues later. This process should comfortably take about 1 minute and 30 seconds on screen, allowing you to explain the importance of each step. Quick navigation. In just a few seconds, open the File Manager in cPanel and navigate to your website's root directory, the location where you will install WordPress. Now, it's time to upload the WordPress package to your server. Begin by accessing your cPanel's File Manager and navigating to the web root directory where your website is hosted. Here you'll see an option to upload files. Click on that option and select the WordPress zip file you previously downloaded. Once the file begins uploading, watch the progress bar until it completes. After the upload is finished, locate the uploaded zip file in your directory, select it, and then choose the Extract option. This will unpack all the files and folders needed for WordPress to function correctly. As the extraction process runs, keep an eye on it to ensure that all files are successfully unpacked into the proper structure. This step creates the core WordPress directories such as WP Admin, WP Content, and WP Includes, which are vital for your site. Locate the file named wp-config-sample.php in your WordPress directory and rename it to wp-config.php. This file is crucial because it holds the settings that let your website connect to its database and function correctly. Open this file in your text editor. First, you'll see a section with placeholder values for authentication keys and salts. These protect login sessions and cookies. Use the link provided in the description to generate unique, secure keys and replace the placeholders with your new values. Next, move to the section where you enter your database credentials. Fill in the database name, username, and password you set up earlier. This step is essential so WordPress can connect to your database and manage your site's data properly. After entering your database details, locate the setting for the table prefix. WordPress uses a default prefix like WP Pauchias. Changing this to something unique, for example, CNDG Chachir, adds an extra layer of security by making it more difficult for attackers to guess your table names. Finally, adjust a few additional settings to further secure and optimize your installation. These tweaks include disabling the built-in file editor in the dashboard to prevent unauthorized code changes, increasing the PHP memory limit to support larger sites, and opting to disable automatic updates so you can manage them manually. There's also an option to allow unfiltered uploads, which should only be enabled if you trust your users, as it can pose a security risk if misused. Finally, open your website in your browser. When you do, WordPress will prompt you to complete the installation by guiding you through a series of simple steps. At this point, you'll need to enter several key details to set up your site properly. Site title. Choose a title that not only reflects your brand, but also gives visitors an immediate idea of what your site is about. This title is often displayed in your browser tab and can influence your site's branding and SEO. Admin email. Enter an email address that you check regularly. This address is essential for receiving important notifications, such as password resets, updates, and any critical information from WordPress regarding your site's security and performance. Username and password. Select a secure username that isn't the default admin to reduce potential security risks. Pair this with a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination will serve as your primary access to the WordPress dashboard, so keeping it secure is crucial. After filling in these details, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. WordPress will then configure your site based on your inputs and set up the necessary database connections and file structures. Once the installation is complete, you'll be greeted with a fresh, clean WordPress site that's fully optimized and ready for customization. Now you can start installing your favorite themes and plugins, customize your site's appearance, and add content that reflects your brand's identity. This final step marks the beginning of your journey in building a secure, dynamic, and professional website with WordPress. Enjoy exploring all the features and possibilities that come with a tailored WordPress installation. That's it for today's tutorial on installing WordPress like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or additional tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.